Hi, good evening. Terry here. Very glad to see you again. And today we look at the market. For US market, it continue a bit hit new high, but we should mind have some top deviation already, as the price continue hit new high, but the money flow not confirmed with the price movement. For Malaysia market, it also continue hit new high. The 1615 many years resistance break up already, so we should have some more space to go until January end. For Hong Kong market, it hit the important resistance and pull back. For Singapore market, even continue rising but still got resistance at the previous high resistance. So this is the index movement. But for individual shares, we get a lot of good individual share to consider to can look at for short term, for mid long term, all no problem. Today we mainly look at some new shares. Just IPO a few days, a few weeks, or less than 1 year. So this kind of share we call new share, but also very good to do, as the new shares is very simple and we follow the rules. We learn and follow the rules, and then 100% profit will back. Okay, so for Jingdong, just IPO 2 days. For Unity, new share, and AQB, new share. OZON, new share. Bilibili, also not so long, not so old, still very young, and still have a long way to go. And Nanofilm, also new share. This is one of the Singapore technology shares, but very beautiful. And this one, Cloudflare. This regarding the cloud, the data, and also very beautiful. Even the Xiaomi after some correction continue. Okay, so let's look at one by one. So if you like this video and if you want to receive every day, don't forget to click the subscribe. So every day we can meet after the market close and we know the market movements. This video here is only my personal view with Homilychart analysis. So all the cases here is not for recommendations, and every one of us, we should be responsible for our own trading. So here is the market turning point calendar, and for all friends, all Homilychart members we can get for many years already, and the accuracy is based on our back testing. In the past 3 years, the accuracy is 90%, means the market turning point, the high, the low, the turning point, 90% will be in this calendar. So we just mind the colorful date. This date will be the market turning point, not only for Asia but also for US. Okay, so for any new friends, if you want to collect the 2021 market turning point calendar, just reply or contact Teacher Cherry 96469682 so we can order first. Okay, this is a Nanofilm, one of the Singapore technology shares. So this one is very beautiful. From IPO, big rise in 3 days from $2.75 and rise to nearly $3. And then small pullback but still above the IPO price. Small pullback and turn to red circle. So the first red circle, it will be our first buy point. Here is around $2.80. And then the big fish come, the red bar about 50%, the big fish build the position is around here, around $3. We can also consider. So every time the price pull back, see in our previous video we see, if this level support effective, the price pull back to the red circle, we got support, we can still consider again, as above no big resistance. So currently, if we don't have, we can still chase high or not. Better not chase high. Okay, even the most strong shares also have the chance to pull back. We wait at the pullback, buy at the lower price, not chase high. Like this one, the previous high 1, 2, 3, 3 times already, never break up this resistance. So $3.68. This one will be our current resistance. If this level can break up, we have more space to go. So we just wait whenever the red bar can break up purple line. The red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance again. So for all members, we just put all these shares in our watch list to monitor. We just follow the big fish, and whenever the red bar break up purple line, it's time to enter, to add position, to consider again, but must above $3.68. And whenever the price break down the circle, or if the red circle turn to white for short term, we can consider sell already. Okay, so this is Nanofilm, and also said it will be included in the index. Also good news for this share. Even rising 50% already, but we still got more space to go. Okay, so this one for if we don't have this kind of indicators, you can also contact Teacher Cherry, and if you want to join member or use this chart to follow, to make analysis, to filter, it will be quite helpful. So this one is the Jingdong Health Hong Kong market. So this is the second day. Yesterday is IPO. Before IPO, it rise 25% already, and yesterday IPO rise 50%. So you see, the yesterday it's around 93, it rise to 123, and many members also make money from this share. And today have a bit pullback, but the price is still rising. Just compared with yesterday, the high price it some pullback, but compared with yesterday, the close price still rising. Even it's red, but still rise. The close price is higher than yesterday, so still rising. For this one, we can also put in our watch list. As this share, this is one trend for the online healthcare, online seeing doctor. You no need go to the hospital, go to the clinic anymore. Like this kind of share, we have Ali Health. This is belong to this kind, and Jingdong Health, and also we have other kind of this one, like the TDOC, also online seeing doctor, online healthcare. So this one will be a trend, and all this will be the next bullish rising shares. Okay, so if we don't have, we can wait a few more days. We just wait whenever the close price can break up the red circle. When the circle turn to red, not still white circle, still got resistance. If the circle can turn to red, it will be our buy point if we don't have. So this is a new share. We got a lot of chances to enter, and just wait the circle turn to red, it will be our time. Okay, and also said Jingdong Health will be included in the MSCI. Also good news, and it's very strong for the mother company. And another one is regarding the December 12 coming, and regarding the e-commercial. This one is from the Russia e-commercial company. So for this one, we see also from IPO, it's a big correction, and then the first red circle appear. It will be our time to enter. And some members enter, and this day rise a lot, gap up, and a big rise. But these 2 days have small pullback, never break up half of these 2 days rising. So we can still wait here around $45. So if the price above 45 means we still got support. And once the red bar rising, it will be our another chance again. So currently we need mind the previous high resistance around 50. If can above 50, and then above no resistance at all. But this pattern is very beautiful. Big rise, small correction, and then big rise again. So just wait for the money flow in, and then we can put in our watch list to monitor. Okay. And the next one we see which one, like XIAOMI, and also many friends have this share and keep asking. So this one is very simple and very easy to do. Currently, the price still stand above all the rainbow lines. So for this kind of share, no need worry if we do mid long-term investment. All the rainbow lines converge together. The big fish come, the red bar build the position already, a red bar more than 25%, so means it will rise at least 100% and maybe 100%. So here it's around $10, and now the price is already $27, more than 200% already. So for this share, currently we see the price still above all the rainbow lines, and also big fish here more than 50%. So for mid long term investment, we follow the yellow line. For short term, we can follow the money flow, follow the red white circle, the signal. For mid long term investment, we follow the yellow line. If close price stand above the yellow line and also big fish here, no need to worry. So the only resistance is around 28.4. If this resistance break up, it will have more space to go, and also very beautiful. See, very beautiful, the pattern. And the next one, we see same pattern, right? The same pattern. IPO have some correction and continue hit new high. So you see all the rainbow lines converge together. The big fish come. The price here is around 16, and now 75, and also more than 300% already. For this kind, every time after big rise, it will pull back, release the risks, and then rise again, and then sleep, and then rise again, continue hit new high. So if we have, we can still hold above the yellow line, mid long-term investment, no problem. But if we don't have, we better wait for the correction finish and we buy at the lower point, not chase high. Okay. So for banker, they have two ways to shake the retail investors out. One is short-term big drop, and another way is long-term sideways. So big rise already. This round is from 45 and rise to 75, $30 already. So we wait it the correction finish. Maybe pull back to yellow line, maybe pull back to red line. If rise again, it will be our another chance. But for mid long term, still okay. Mid long term above yellow line, and better wait for pullback finish. We consider. Okay. So this one, the FA, the fundamental analysis is very strong for Bilibili, as it have a lot of many other industries to do, and all very hot spots and current the market. So for this share, the FA and the TA both very good. So for this we should put in our watch list to monitor. And another one is Unity Software, and also many members bought rising this round rising 60% already. So for this one, for any share, you just study the rules. Every share have its own rules. So for this one, rise, pull back, rise, pull back, rise, pull back. So this is the rules. But for this regular movement only can be done by the banker. For retail investor, no power to make this beautiful movement. So rise 2 to 3 days, pull back 1 to 2 days, rise again, pull back again. But the high, the low, both continue hit new high. So this is our choice. See, every time the price pull back to the rainbow lines and stop drop, or the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, it's all our enter point. See, come again, come back to this, and then continue hit new high. The red bar break up purple line again, it will be our another chance. So even from here, it's around 102. Now the price is 167, more than 60% already, but above no resistance. So next time, after 1 day or 2 days pullback, it will be another chance. Okay? So this is the Unity software to the online games. So this is the shares we see. AQB we see. AQB, yeah. The shares. This one also we talked. The pattern is very beautiful. Also we must learn. So we learn the technical analysis. The useful is like this. We know when will be the bottom and when will be the top and how far it will go. So this one, according to fundamental analysis, it can tell us it was investment or not, the company good or not. But when can we buy? We do short term, to mid term, or long term. When can hold? We must sell. So this one we need from the chart. So you see here, after long term sideways and long term drop, the round bottom very beautiful, and then big rise. But for this kind, we also from the history, based on the history movement, every time after big rise, it will big drop. Big rise, big drop. So if we do this kind of share, your heart must be very strong. It's big rise, big drop. Like recently again, big rise a lot, but then it will time to pull back to correction. And whenever the correction finish, we have another chance. So just follow the big fish. Whenever the red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance. All the same pattern, the same rules. Okay. So this is today our market conclusion, the summary, and see you tomorrow. But before we end, we have another news to say, also very important for us. So this one is regarding this Saturday morning, the big webinar, Zoom webinar, online talk. So this Saturday is the Homilychart in Singapore 11 years celebration. We specially invite the master, Mr. Chin Chow, give us lecture, Zoom. So if you or you have any friends, relatives, families who want to know more about investment, who want to learn a bit about the technical analysis, please feel free to register to the hotline +65 9646 9682, and only the first 1,000 friends available. So the teacher will tell us how to make the strategy in the coming year 2021. And in December, the market rocked up. A lot of shares continue hit new high, 100% rise. How can we catch this chance? And also the relationship between the economic and also the COVID-19. So see you this Saturday morning on this talk. If still not booked yet, please send your name, WhatsApp your name to 96469682, so we can attend this Saturday this talk. And here, if you still not Homily member, you want to try the Homilychart, or you want to try the free Zoom webinar, want to attend the class, or want to meet one-to-one at the City Hall, Bishan, Jurong East Trade Centers, or online, want to know more about Homilychart, please feel free to contact me, 96469682. Okay, so today we will be here, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye and good night.